surprise party. Last to leave the bases are new. You bought locked and loaded. It doesn't synergize well with your stats.
Laki panalo mo, Dam, ah.
My name is Erin. Just Erin. I was taught the rules.
Laki panalo mo.
Now I can break them.
Congrats, Dam.
Binit ng 2014.
Natalo yung 150. Ang laki ng puhon. Ah, natalo pa yung Dam?
First blood.
Ay, sana all, Dam.
Right on the beat. An ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. You bought offensive equipment. It doesn't synergize well with your stats.
Tapos,
Only cowards fear that which is
sa
different
kabilang
from them.
account, yung sa coin killer, 800 na yung 800 na yung panalo. Dinatubot ko lang dinatubot, kumikilang ko, 500. Yun yung pinambag ko.
You bought offensive equipment. It doesn't
Laki na.
synergize well
Yung
with your
panalo
stats.
ka na, tapos hindi ka pa tumitigil. Ano? Yung ang sarap-sarap maglaro.
There's a fine line between
Ano
surprise
kasi ako gabi
and
ni
shock.
Ano yung hindi, iangat mo yung bet mo. Naglaro ako sa safety. Nagyang pati yung binibigay ko lang mga 500 ang binibigay. At yung bet ko ganun.
Enemy has been slain. I helped you, and now we're friends.
Wait lang, mag-refresh ko.
Sige po, Dam. Thank you, Dam.
Thank you. 50,000 pala ang balik sa diamond. Hindi nag-aliluya.
Fantastic variation. You bought offensive equipment.
Umalis ka dun sa panel ni Ate Lai, Ate Melchora. Nagpasabog si Ate Annalyn doon.
I was talking.
Ay,
Si Bicolana, si Ate.
o si Annalyn na agent natin. Doon sa kabila.
Ate ko, yung kapatid kong agent ba, si Annalyn.
Ah, nahulog yata ako day. Pagising ko, wala na. Natulugan ako.
Sabi ko, umalis si Ate Melchora, dumating yung kapatid ko, nag-gambol siya.
Has been
Na,
slain.
ito si nandoon.
Ah,
Yung ibang BLD na huli,
You bought
100 lang
offensive
yata
equipment.
mahigit yung sa kanila.
Doesn't synergize well
Kasi
with your
nahuli na
stats.
pa sila.
ang laki palang nasalo nila, day.
Fantastic variation.
Oo. Si Annalyn yung Bicolana ba? Bicolana agent. Kapatid ko yun, boss. Ang dami nga namin, boss. Eto, mga kaibigan ko to. Supporters ka. Oh, kung nakakaano nga ako, boss, kung nakaka-PK, dami kong supporters.
Enemy has been slain.
Pwede ba yun, boss? Yung mukha ko kalahati lang. Pwede yun? Ate Melchora, pag nag-random PK ako, supportahan niyo ako. Ah.
Catapults moving out.
Opo. Kasi
There
pag,
is always time.
pag sinabi ko dun sa kay, oo, kay agent, hindi na talaga, boss.
An enemy has been slain.
Matik talaga, ban.
Assemble. The unforeseen is what makes an adventure worthwhile. Assemble.
Opo, hindi na yun nakukuha kay ate La yun. Hindi na nakukuha.
Ally has been slain. Assemble.
Di ba nga kasi biniri pa yun ni Ate Lai, tapos hindi na siya na mukha niya yung lumabas.
Unbelievable! You bought offensive equipment. It doesn't synergize well with your stats.
Naka-X na boss eh. Pwede pa ba? Paano ba yun boss? Naka-X na kasi. Paano kaya yun? Naka-X na siya sa ano, sa mukha ni Ate Lai doon. Naka-X na siya. Para makuha ko yung ano ko doon, yung coins ko. Laki ng coins ko doon boss. Kasi di... Kasi kung alam kong nag-update si Popo, hindi kasi ako nagtatanong eh. Kung alam ko lang talaga nag-update si Popo, hindi man kasi sa akin nag-update eh. Kasi dati, nakukuhaan ko yun ng laman, lagi ko yun na ano, ini-exchange. Kasi kaka-exchange ko lang, di ba, nung nakaraang linggo doon sa kanya. Tapos binagsakan ko na naman. Sayang pala. Akala ko, madam, nag-piggy ka, kayo may nag-send doon sa inin ko yung...
Your team has destroyed a turret. Godlike! You bought offensive equipment. It doesn't synergize well with your stats.
Opo. Hindi ko friend yung immortal boss. Yan ba yung sa taas? Lahat yan?
Legendary!
Galing.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Triple kill. You bought offensive equipment. It doesn't synergize well with your stats. Your team has destroyed a turret. Let the ball begin. Your team has destroyed a turret. Legendary! Your team has destroyed a turret. You bought offensive equipment. It doesn't synergize well
Ano
with your
po, boss?
stats. Between surprise and shock.
Pa sa inyong dalawa siguro yon. ay, hindi. Sorry. Sorry. Love you. Love you ni Tata. Love ni Tata. Ikaw napakaano mo.
Variation.
Tulog ka na nga.
Assemble.
Ay, yung aking pamangkin, gising na gising pa siya. Ano po po? Ay po! Ano po, boss?
Enemy has been slain.
Balik kita sa nanay mo. Wait lang, boss. At ang gulo na itong makulit ako dito. Di pa ito natutulog.
You bought offensive equipment. It doesn't synergize well with your stats.
Marunong ka naman magbukas ng cellphone, di ba? O, ayan, o.
Legendary.
Ano po yun, boss?
Bought offensive equipment. It doesn't synergize well with your stats. Your team has bought offensive equipment. It doesn't synergize well. You bought
Ewan ko
offensive
sa'yo.
equipment.
Lazada ka pa
Doesn't synergize well with your stats.
babalik kita sa puwet ng nanay mo.
I was taught the rules.
Okay.
Now I can break them. An enemy has been slain. You bought offensive equipment. It doesn't synergize well with your stats. Shut down. May the Laurel Spirits bless you!